In today's video, we will be comparing two popular dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K and the REDTIGER F7NP. Both offer impressive features, but which one is the better choice for you? Let's dive into the details and find out. Both the ROVE R2-4K and REDTIGER F7NP offer 4K video recording capabilities. The ROVE R2-4K provides a single lens with a resolution of up to 2160p, while the REDTIGER F7NP features dual lens recording, capturing 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear. This makes the REDTIGER F7NP a better option for those looking for comprehensive coverage. When it comes to user experience, the screen size can make a significant difference. The ROVE R2-4K features a 2.4-inch IPS screen, while the REDTIGER F7NP boasts a larger 3.16-inch IPS display. A bigger screen can enhance usability, making it easier to navigate settings and view recordings. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The ROVE R2-4K is priced at $119, making it a budget-friendly option. In contrast, the REDTIGER F7NP is priced at $198, reflecting its additional features such as dual lens recording and a larger screen. Depending on your budget and needs, you may find the ROVE R2-4K to be a more attractive option. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and REDTIGER F7NP have their strengths and weaknesses. The ROVE R2-4K is an excellent choice for those on a budget seeking high-quality video recording, while the REDTIGER F7NP is ideal for users who require dual lens functionality and a larger display. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.